Alright, so we got this new dual controller charging station for the PS5. Now it has a nice PlayStation 5 look / design to it. It's really cool. Obviously it has Type-C, smart charging, and really cool LEDs. So this is the features on the back of the box right there. Takes about 2 to 3 hours on a full charge. Input 5 volts 2 amps at an output of 5.3 volts at 0.7 amps. So pretty cool, and you can simultaneously charge both controllers wirelessly, obviously, with no wires besides the base station itself. And it does have a red LED when it's charging and a blue LED when it's finished. All right, let's get straight into it. This is obviously by EcthPower. So on the top you have a warranty card, power cable, Type-C to Type-A, nice to have. Oh, you have a wall plug, I think. Yep, good thing they included that. You can also plug this in the back of your PS5. And then right here you have the base station, as well as a user manual, which is in, I think, a few languages. Yeah, you can read that if you need to. Pause it, zoom in. It's in several languages. Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the base station. Really nice design, actually. Now you have like a mini modem or mini mesh Wi-Fi. So those are the contact pins there on the top, and then that's where it rests. Pretty cool. It's a lightweight build. On the bottom it just says 5.3 volts at 0.7 amps. You have a little sticker here. Hidden behind this is a screw, I can feel it. Some pads here for some non-moving around, I guess, some grip. On the back, I don't think this does anything. No, it's just for cable management, so you can put the cable back there. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and show you what this looks like when it's powered on. Obviously, I can't test it out here, but I know for a fact this is really good. Just based off of design and looks, it's a very trusted company. They make tons of items for Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PS5. So amazing company, and I will be right back once I have the B-roll. Alright, overall he does like this product, and it's pretty short video, but it's not really a whole complex type of deal, so I don't really want to waste anyone's time. But without further ado, if you guys do want to check this out, I highly recommend it. Once again, it's not like an Xbox controller where you have to charge the battery and it matters on the charge on how long it lasts. It's literally just a charger controller and that's it. It's a docking station, but it looks really cool and it's inexpensive.